What are we cooking?
We are cooking kritharoto with orzo. Oh, don't be afraid. We start with olive oil.
I'll be your sous chef.
Like most of Mediterranean dishes, we start with olive
Yes.
oil. Then we have
Onion.
Then we have the peppers. We can have the garlic now. You can tear the fresh mushrooms.
These
Chanterelles,
mushrooms.
give me
This
the
is
olive,
shiitake.
please.
These are the shiitakes.
The shiitakes.
You want these in strips,
Yes.
like that.
Like that, yes.
Is that chanterelles?
chanterelles, black strawberries from the mountain. Here are the oysters that we picked earlier. You're gonna make nice strips by hand here.
These are dried porcini.
Dried porcini.
Porcinis are hand-picked from north end of the island, and they are sun-dried.
Now this is
powder that we make from the porcini.
This is porcini,
Porcini
dried
powder.
porcini
Yes.
powder. This is one of my secret ingredients too. I add it to a lot of things.
Can we have the orzo?
This is 2 kilos.
Let me empty this.
Okay,
It's
okay.
heavy. And a lot of wine.
We are going to deglaze the pan. The sun-dried tomatoes. It's ready for the stock.
Okay, and this is mushroom stock.
Mushroom stock, porcini stock.
Red pepper flakes.
Okay.
I like hot food, but not everybody else
okay.
does.
This is for you.
And the thyme.
Okay. In with the thyme. All of it. Okay. We can have the porcini powder now.
Yes, sir. How much of it?
Give me 1 tablespoon and we are seeing. Okay. Perfect.
Can you add a little bit more powder?
You know what happens when there are 3 people?
One more.
When there are 3 people cooking.
Yeah.
It's like
gets better.
It's like having 3 architects.
Yeah.
You know, everyone's got an opinion,
But-
and everyone's right. You want the cheese in there now?
Yeah. And we are ready.
Half, that's
Half.
it.
Ready to finish.
Okay. And how we finish every recipe?
With extra virgin olive oil.
Okay. Ready.
I think this should be enough for the 3 of us, don't you think?
Oh, okay. I want you to taste it.
I
Give me
will
your
taste
spoon.
it gladly. Wow, not only can I taste the mushrooms, I can taste all the mushrooms,
All the mushrooms.
and especially the mushroom powder. This is great. It's delicious. You made me realize that you really can substitute every piece of meat with a nice, beautiful
Okay, thank you.
mushroom.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And I think that's the lesson today here. Let's sit down and enjoy this.